Hey folks, it's 57 degrees, it's sunny, great day for making maple syrup.
Shine like the sun when it's dark, and you hold me, and you fly like a wingless bird when you're angry, and you see like the blind when it hurts, and you show me love.
Making one last trip out to the trees, to the buckets, and look at this. A couple of gallons of pure gold. This is just since yesterday morning or since yesterday afternoon. So I'll transfer these into the red bucket, bring them back to the evaporator, and dump them in, and I'll go check the other buckets. Now I was just going to check the temperature. See if it'll show up here. I don't know if it'll focus and if you can even see it. But now that's not going to work. But anyway, I was checking the temperature, and just as I did, it started to boil. So we're cooking now. We're cooking with wood. So what I'm going to do is I'll use this pan as my primary pan. This will be more of a heating pan. So I'll get the sap that's in here warmed up, and then as this one boils down, I'll pour this pan into that one, and keep it boiling that way. Then I'm not pouring cold sap into the pans and trying to warm it up from there.
And clear, I hear you now, my dear. Take my hand. Let's go apart this promised land. Oh, shine like the sun in my heart, and you know me.